Good morning. This is for math, page 291. It's section number 1, letters A and B that we're going to work through together. You know that when we work multiplication problems, sometimes we need to carry. And when we carry, we always add the carried number. Carrying in a problem with a 2-digit factor is just as easy. And so that's what we're going to go over today. Okay, so before we get to the tens place, we need to multiply our ones place, okay? So we have 4 times 3 is 12. We put our 2 down. We carry our plus 1 just like we always have. Okay, you don't have to put the plus, I'm just doing it to show you. Then we continue. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Okay, now we have our first partial product. The answer to a multiplication problem is product, but this is only partial because we're not finished. Before we can multiply the ones place, we have to put a 0 in our partial product. Now, before we multiply the tens place, what we're going to do is we're going to put a line through what we already carried because we don't want to carry it again. Okay? So then we start again. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. And now we can add our partial products together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. So my answer is 552. Now let's take a look at the second one here. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to multiply. This is letter B. You can work it with me. We're going to multiply the ones place. So we have 3 times 6 is 18. Put our 8, carry our plus 1. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Okay, the next step is we need to put a 0 in our partial product. Then I'm going to go back, I'm going to cross out the numbers that we already carried. And now I can begin multiplying the tens place. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. And now I can add my partial products. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 5 is 7, and so my answer is 728. You want to get in the habit of crossing off what you've already used because soon you're going to get to the point where you're going to have to carry once you're multiplying the tens place. So you want to get in that habit of crossing that out. Okay, so you have 3 more of those to do on your own, and if you need any help, just let me know.